Hello children. So today in this video let me discuss about the pair of linear equations in two variable. Before that let me brush up whatever you have learnt in standard 9 related to this linear equation in two variable. So you know only this much, that is suppose we have a linear equation in two variable. The equation is, suppose x plus y equal to 5. I am taking a very simple equation and you know how to find solution to this linear equation. So for that you need to draw a table. Now let us find at least three pair of solution. X, y, if x is 1, y is 4, x is 2, y is 3, 5, 0. And also you know how to draw the graph to this linear equation. Also you will know that how to draw it. For that we need to draw the coordinate axis first of all. So let me draw it. X axis, y axis. Now this is your origin. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then is 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. This is 5, 0. Now let us join these 3 points. These 3 points. Now you will see all these points, they come on the same line, or we can say this line is the graph to this linear equation. And again you see here the coordinate of this point is 1, 4. So this point lies on this line. The coordinate of this point is 1, 4. Then this 1, 4 is a solution to this linear equation. Similarly, this one, this is a point on this line. The coordinate of this point is 2, 3, or we can say this 2, 3 is a solution to this linear equation. Similarly, if you take any point on this line and find its coordinate, for example, if this is a point, its coordinate is 3, 2, and you see this 3, 2 is a solution to this linear equation. So it is so interesting that if you take any point on the line, find its coordinate, that coordinate is a solution to this linear equation. And on a line, or this line consists of infinite number of points, or we can say this linear equation has got infinite number of solutions. This much you have already learnt in standard 9. But today let us discuss whenever we have a pair of linear equation. For example, here only one equation is there and I am saying pair of linear equation. Suppose I am writing x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Here we have a pair of linear equation. Our aim is to find a common solution to this pair of linear equation. Common solution. That is the main concept of this chapter 3 of your maths book. That is the main concept. What is that? How to find a common solution to a pair of linear equation. So how to find it graphically you will see now. As usual, let us draw the graph to the first linear equation and also the graph to the second linear equation. So for the first equation, the solutions are the same solution I am taking so that it will be easy for you. X, y, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 0. For the second one, I am writing here for the second equation. Let us take the solution. They are your 1 0, suppose 1 0 x y, minimum always take 3 solution. Suppose x is 1, y is 0. Suppose x is 3, y is 2. Suppose x is 0, y is minus 1. Now let us draw the graph to the first linear equation by using this solution, and also let us draw another graph to this linear equation using this set of solution. So for that, let us draw the coordinate axis. Now let us plot the point 1 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 2, 1 2 3 4 5 0. Now let us join 3 points through a line. Then let us draw the line to the second equation. So 1 0 1 0 3 2 1 2 3 2 0 minus 1 0 minus 1. Now let us join all these 3 points. So you see, now we have drawn 2 lines and they intersect each other at a point. And you see, now this point lies on the first line as well as this point lies on the second line. So, and the coordinate of this point is 3 2. So we can say now these 3 2 is a solution to the first equation, as well as these 3 2 also a solution to the second equation. Or now we can say this 3 2 is a common solution to both the equation. And here the pair of linear equation, they have unique solution, that is the one and only one solution. So here we found the lines are intersecting, and they have unique solution. Next, let us take another pair of linear equation. Every time I am taking the first one so that it will be easy for us to draw the graph. And the second one, suppose we have 2x plus 2y equal to 6. Now the solution for the first one, again the same. X, y, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 0. And the second one, three, 0, 1, 2, 5, minus 2. Now let us draw the graph. Let us draw. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. The first line to the first equation, then the second line, that is the graph of the second equation, 3 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 1 2 5 minus 2. So 1 2 2 3 4 5 minus 2 minus 2. Now let us join 3 points to draw the second graph. Now you see here, both the line, they are parallel to each other, or we can say they don't intersect, or we can say now they do not have a point in common. Here they have a common point here, that is the intersecting point of both the lines. Here the lines are parallel, they don't meet each other, they don't intersect each other, or we can say we cannot find a common point on both the line. So here we can say the lines are parallel, and also they don't have a common solution. So we can say lines are parallel here, they are parallel to each other and they don't have any common solution. No solution, I am writing here, no solution. So we found whenever the lines are intersecting, unique solution. Lines are parallel, no solution. So 2 cases we have seen now. Now I am going for the third case. So I am taking again another pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation I am telling every time. And every time I am taking the first one same, so that it will be easy for you to understand. And the second one is 2x plus 2y equal to 10, suppose. Now the solution to the first one already we have seen. X, y, that is 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 0. And the second one, for the second equation, the solutions are, let us take 0, 5. You can verify, I am just taking like this, 3, 2, 5, 0. Let us draw the graph again here also. So if I am taking this one as the coordinate axis, one, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 0. Now let us draw the line. This is the graph for the first equation. Now let us draw the graph for the second equation. 0, 5, 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. This is the point. Then 5, 0. So again the same point. Now again let us join all the point to draw a line. But here you see, we have drawn both the line, but they overlap on each other, or we can say the lines are coincident, one coincides on another. So here if I take any point on the first line, the same point also lies on the second line. That means both the line, they have infinite number of solution. Why? Because again you see, if I take a point on the first line, again that is also the point on the second line, or we can say from the graph it is very clear, the lines are coincident, so they have infinite number of solution. So we can write here, the lines are coincident. I am writing here. In that case, infinite number of solution. Infinite solution. So you see, from the above graphs, we have three pair of, here one pair of linear equation, second pair, third pair. In the first pair, from the graph we found the lines, they intersect each other, or we can say lines are intersecting in nature, they have unique solution. In the second place, for these pair of linear equation, after constructing the graph we found the lines are parallel, or and in that case no solution. And third case, the lines are they are coincident line, and they have infinite number of solutions. So this much you learn today. Tomorrow I will take online class, and that time I will solve some of the question. So at least you get through this video, try to understand the concept, then only you will be able to solve the question of exercise 3.1. So this much for today. Okay, bye.